Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to link Clubhouse with the Instagram. So this is the new feature. Now you can add your Instagram or link your Instagram with your Clubhouse, but how you can basically do it. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Clubhouse mobile application and then log into your account. So once you will here, you have to click on your profile icon on the right top, tap on it. Okay, once you will tap on it, you will see page like this, and also you will see just below the bio you will see add Instagram button. So you have to tap on it and it will redirect you to the new page of the Instagram. So you have to log into your Instagram here and then simply you have to click on the allow from here. Once you will click on the allow, your Instagram account will be connected with your Clubhouse account. So this is the procedure to link Clubhouse with the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.